All right, we are coming to the escalators at the TKE Test Facility in Atlanta, Georgia. Look at this big TKE sign. Wow. And as you can see, this escalator is moving slow, but if you step on it, see? It increases speed. And we're gonna go back down. Now watch this. See, once you approach towards the escalator, it'll start, the speed will start cycling up. Now I might want to take a second round trip because I want to get a big view of that. I want to get a view of the big TKE sign. This right here is the lobby, as you see right here.
If you want to see the inside of the escalator, you go to your left real quick before stepping on the stairs. You can see the inside.
Oh, these are the inner. Oh! I didn't know they have. These are the inner workings of an escalator. Oh, so these are the tracks you see right here.
So similar to the elevator, there's some things pointing out the different components. You see the steps here, the step chain, the outer decking, trailing wheels. You can see all the different parts of the system.
Which one's the escalator motor?
The motor is going to be at the very top, if I'm not mistaken, although escalators are not my expertise.
Oh, I see the big gear. I can see the big bull gear. And I assume the motor, I think the motor is probably over there. I'm not sure.
You can see the big wheel up there at the very top.
Oh yes, I do see the wheel. Here's a big view of the TKE sign. I really like how they have the green and red LED. Green means that you can go, but the red means stop. You can't enter through that escalator. Just kind of like a traffic light. And it's still got the TKE sign, which is really nice. And those over there are the agile twin elevators. We'll go ride those in a little bit. So you see the view into the lobby right there. This is the big TKE sign. This is like my dream come true of coming here. I've been wanting to come here for so long. And once I step across the red line, that is gonna be it.